In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video on Webflow. Quick tutorial. First, make sure you're signed into your Webflow account and you know which site you want to edit. From your account, head to your Sites area where all your projects live. This is your starting point. From there, click into the site's dashboard. The dashboard gives you quick access to the designer, your pages, and settings, and it's where you'll open the project to make changes. Next, choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Give it a second to load. In the designer, you'll see your canvas in the middle, the navigator and add tools on the left, and the settings on the right. If the add panel isn't visible, don't worry. We'll use the highlighted controls shown on your screen to get exactly where we need to be. Now, click the highlighted area on the canvas to select the section where you want the video to appear. Position matters. Pick a container or section that makes sense in your layout so the embed looks natural. Then, click the highlighted control to open the tools you need. You're looking for the standard video element, Webflow's built-in embed that accepts a YouTube link and handles the responsive sizing for you. Once that's visible, click the highlighted video option to place it on the page. You'll see a placeholder appear right on the canvas. With the placeholder ready, switch over to YouTube. Click the highlighted area to open the video you want to display. Make sure you have permission to use it, and if it's set to private, confirm it's viewable by your audience. Copy the video's URL from the address bar, or use the Share button to get a clean link. Head back to Webflow and click into the highlighted input field for the video settings. Paste the YouTube link there. Webflow will automatically detect the video and render a preview on the canvas. If you see the thumbnail appear, you're set. Take a moment to check that it maintains a 16:9 aspect ratio and fits nicely on different breakpoints. If needed, you can adjust spacing with margins or padding so it aligns with your design. Finally, type in the highlighted text field near the video to add a short description or title. This small bit of context helps users understand what the video covers and is useful for accessibility and clarity. Keep it concise and relevant. That's it. You opened your project, placed the video element, grabbed the YouTube link, pasted it into the settings, and added a helpful description. Your YouTube video is now embedded and ready